You want to create an ebook, but you are having trouble with it. So, here you have a solution in this video. Hello everyone, this is me Monica and I welcome you to WPBELIEF. Here, in this tutorial, we are going to create an ebook without any cost. Yes, for free. Okay, talking about ebook, it is a great way to get more people to subscribe to your email list. Ebook is in PDF format and can be saved anywhere. So let's go for creating an ebook. Here, for creating an ebook, we are going to do 4 steps. First is to create an account on Crello. Second is to choose a design for your ebook. Then third step is to add content to the design. And finally, creating a new page from scratch. Okay, let's begin our first step. Here we are going to create an account on Crello. Crello is a website which is going to help us create our ebooks. So then type here Crello and enter it. Here you can see this is the first website which we are going to enter. So click on it. As we know that we are going to create account on Crello, so we are going to sign up here. Let's go to sign up. Now you have to keep the details. Here you have to enter your email, password. So then sign up here. Now here you just reach to the Crello interface. Successfully created account on the Crello. Now we are going to the second step, that is to create any design. So for that you can search the design from here or you can choose a design here. Here you can see there are several formats are also available. So let's search our design for the ebook. So here you can see several designs are available. You can choose any kinds of design. Let's suppose let me choose this design. So when I have clicked on that design, I got this design as interface over here. Now we are moving to our third step. That is, we are going to add content to our design. Like in order to add the content to their design, let us suppose that we want to change this text. So let me click on it. Let me click and select this. You get the space and now you can type any kinds of text which you want to display here. Suppose let me type WPBELIEF. You can also arrange it where you want to keep as you wish. So change this. So then do the same, click on it, select the version and then type. So now similarly you can change this to, okay, let us suppose we want to change this image. So for this, first of all we have to delete this image and re-add another image to it. So for that click on image and you can see here the delete option. Click on it. Now you can see the image is deleted. So now in order to add the image over here, just go to this file option and now you can upload any image or videos over here. Now click on upload image or video. Then choose the image by double clicking on it. So now here you can see this photo is visible and now just drag and drop over here. So now it is successfully added. Suppose you want to change the background. Now you can choose here any of the background which you like. Suppose let me choose this. Okay. Now you can choose here the styles too. So you can easily change the font by clicking on the font which you wish. Just click on it and then you can see here some of the changes over here. Okay, now we have added a content to our design. Now you know how to add content to your ebook. But what if you want to create a new page from scratch? Scratch will allow you to create your ebook the way you want. So let's move for the fourth step for creating a new page from scratch. If you want a new page or add another page of your own, then click on new page and you can see here the blank page is available. Now you can edit this page. Similarly, for editing it, you can go to the text option a text box will also appear, and then type the text over there. And similarly, you can again add the photo to there. You can change the background and also add the photo. Okay, now suppose you want to make this photo as the format which we have created in the first, then you can just go here and click on duplicate. Then it is duplicated and just click on it, and now you can change the text and other things on this piece. Okay, now similarly, if you want to change this position, then just click on it and just swipe down or to the position where you want to keep this. Finally, when you have successfully added all the pieces from scratch, now we are going to rename to our PDF, or I can say ebook, and name it and just download it. So when you click on it, now you have to choose the format in which you want to download. Okay, now here I want to download PDF standard, so let me take here and download. So it is downloading. Wait for a while. So you can see here the PDF is successfully downloaded. And one else thing, just remember that it only allows you 5 PDFs, or you can only create the 5 ebook from the free version. And if you want to create more, then you have to upgrade your plan. Okay, now let's see our PDF. So here you can see our ebook is ready in the PDF format. Okay, now you can easily share that. So now we have successfully created our ebook. You can easily share it. Also, I will make another video. In that video, we are going to add ebook on our website. So that's all in this video. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe it. See you in next video. Bye.